Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking, and in this video, we are going to examine file feature number 6, email as attachment. With that being said, let's begin. So, there may be a time where you want to share the contents of a Google document with someone who may not be directly editing the document or who may not have access to a Gmail account. As such, emailing as an attachment can be a very useful option for this situation. So, to access this particular tool, you need to go under the File selector and then scroll down to Email as Attachment. You will then left click on Email as Attachment and the following box will appear. You can attach your document in a variety of formats as a PDF, a Microsoft Word document, a rich text file document, an HTML, plain text, or open document. You can also paste the item itself into the email if you so choose. So within the To section, you would type in the email address of the individual that this item would be going to. From there, you can change the subject to refer to the title of the Google document or to some other type of information, and then write a message. I always like to click on the option to send a copy of the email to myself, just so that I have a record that the item went through. You would then click on the blue Send button in order for the Google document, now converted into a different file format, to be sent to your chosen individual. However, in this case, I'm going to click on Cancel since I'm not going to actually send the document. And that is how you can email a Google document as an attachment. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.